Umdi Bashnyam Bat Pinjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad Ki Sangma Uloong bakasorkar kanomle Jubor ban wanra ya kalentiral sya rilum khasi bat jantia Khlem dadon Shwa ya kajing ya Syllok bat kajing karan bat ki Kynhun Bapher ha kajing karan bat kilat patai kubor ha ka khatsan terek ukala lingkot arjar punrio Menteri Rangba uloong bakasorkar kaladep thau ya ka all party committee on railway Henry Bon nagiseng san perthai kimshim lapoi sya kajelang ban yakran Halor ka issue lentiral lakin pediangne kin kentan.
I'm very clear on the railways. I've mentioned this many times that it's a sensitive issue. And hence, for us as a government, we have been very clear that we will only move forward once we have a consensus, once we have dialogue and discussion, and we have some sort of agreement on how we can move forward in this together. And that is why, keeping that in mind, we had formed a committee. Committee means that we had called a meeting, for an all-party meeting to discuss this matter. And of course, most of the parties didn't come to the meeting, and they just, in fact, some of them even wrote to us saying that we will not be part of this discussion. So that's where we stand. So we have to understand that whether we agree or we disagree, until unless we don't talk, we're not going to reach anywhere. So if you don't want to talk also, and then at the same time when we try to do something, and then you say that why are you doing it now and why didn't you discuss with us? It's difficult to move forward. So we are very clear. We are going to move forward only when we are able to consult and get everybody on board. And we will not move forward with anything until unless there is some sort of consensus in this. And continuously, we are trying to engage with everyone. And we will continue our engagement. We will continue to explain to people about the benefits of this. And we'll try to address the concerns that they may have, and see if we are able to come to a meeting point, following which we would be able to take it to Delhi.